Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangma on 7th November 2020 laid the foundation stone of the new building of Rymbai Government Secondary School. In his address, he said that top priority will be given to the education sector. He made mention of the fact that the government's mission is to enhance the overall infrastructure of schools and educational institutions across the state of Meghalaya. The Chief Minister also informed that the new building would be completed by December 2022.
The benefits within 1 year. Then plant flowers. Because flowers will bloom in 1 year and you will get the benefits in 1 year's time. But if your vision is for 10 years, and you wish to get the results in 10 years, then plant trees that will bear fruits, and then you can get the results and the fruits after 10 years. But if your vision is for eternity, and you wish to bear the fruits forever, then plant people. Because when you plant people, then the benefit of that is not just for that generation, but for generations to come. And where do we plant people? We plant them in institutes like these, like Rymbai Secondary School. So therefore, as a government, and as a political leader, my vision is for eternity. I wish to transform our society, our state. I wish to see that our state will be the most developed state, the fastest growing state, and the #1 state in our country.
While speaking at the function, Education Minister Lakman Rymbai said that the aim of the government is to fulfill the aspirations of the people. He further stated that the government is focused on improving education in the state for the betterment of the society and the state as a whole.
Wani, Chief Minister wan paji kini school, yui ke building manga kawa MKM tau penmiat. Snyau kemeni, wata deye o le yakani. Wani, ke program naibhai ke jubilee yang ke school. Hanrei, hai tu doang wirabi namta additional classroom. Ida yoi, wata hakini ke sarkar ke wakat ni. Ta, wai perkhat, wai kam, yato. EM kata kemen sen ke yang ikam ke government will fulfilling aspiration yang kichnong kita cibon gibru perkat ki oto kani ke sarkar iyi maai ule ka cibon ki kritik yang ke sarkar perkat ki yule ke sarkar katu ke sansnem ukut ka upaj ke iu le kini ke male, iu le kini ke minister, iu le unu chief minister. Haris nyau kemana? Oong hai ni wato kini ki arsnem ki beradep, kini ki lesnem ki wadangwan, uman ki wow transform. Mto dukat kini ke chnong Henry ya ka state warok kawi.